Hi friends, today we are going to talk about data visualization. In today's world, analytics is the key source for the decision makers based on their data. Now that data is voluminous, huge, and the decision makers need some tool which will aggregate or summarize this data and present it to them in the pictorial manner. As we always say, the picture speaks 1,000 words. So if you convert a large amount of data into some kind of a visual graph, then that makes easy for the consumer of that particular graph to understand the inferences of that particular visualization. It helps them get the clarity of what are the patterns, correlations, and trends that are emerging out of their own data, and it helps them to take the data-driven decisions. I'm going to talk about a tool called as Power BI. It's one of the most popular tools in the industry these days, where it allows you to connect to multitude of data sources and then do certain transformations, create some new fields, do some calculations, and use all this information to present your analysis in the form of dashboards and visualizations. Opine Group conducts a detailed hands-on course on Power BI. The course designed in such a way that we ease the student into the world of Power BI. We start with the need of the visualization to the industry so that you understand the context why we are learning this particular tool. Then we start with some simple visualizations so that you get the feel of a tool, how it works, how the drag and drop works in Power BI. And then we start, getting the complexity one notch above every day. So then we will start with filters. Then we will start with the visualizations where we have got multiple dimensions involved, and so on and so forth. Once that is done, then we come to a very important aspect of Power BI, that is DAX, or Data Analysis Expression. It's a coding language for Power BI. It's a set of functions. We can use those functions to create the data, to create the computations which are not directly available in your data, but are required for you to create the visualization. Once you master DAX, then you actually control how Power BI should behave. So we spend a lot of time, lot of hands-on time on DAX. Once we have done that, then we introduce you to the concepts such as the dashboard, how the dashboards are created, how those dashboards are then used to navigate the user from the dashboard level, which is summary level, to the detailed level, and so on. So the complete set of navigational capabilities of Power BI is what we will cover. Once that is done, we will be also talking about some key features such as role-based security, where we can control which user sees which data, which is very, very important aspect from the security angle for most corporates. Lastly, we talk about the Power BI service, which is the cloud-based component of Power BI. This is the component where the end users log in and where the collaboration of all the dashboards and reports that you have created happens. So that is something that is going to give you a complete hands-on experience of not only the features of Power BI, but as part of the training, the course is designed in such a way that the feature is taught to you by associating with some or the other business process, business requirement. So when you are working with us, you will understand how you get the business requirement, how to understand that business requirement, and having understood how to convert that into an appropriate visualization. So guys, we are waiting for you to come to our office, join our course, and start your journey as a business analyst in this great domain. Thank you for watching this video.